Hey guys, today we'll be dealing with pastiche and how one can create pastiche by using a grid, or sometimes others would call it scale drawings. Now, a pastiche is an artwork that imitates that of another artwork. In other words, you are actually copying or repurposing the pre-existing image. Some persons will call it appropriation. In creating a pastiche, one can draw a grid or a scale. The scale helps to create accuracy in the artwork. It will also help if you want to enlarge, reduce, or even keep the work to the same sizing as the original. This is where your mathematical skill will come in. Math will help in your measurement and your scaling. Normally, we'll use something called ratio. Ratio is the relation that is shown between two amounts. In visual art or in scale drawing, we will use the ratio when we are comparing or relating to the original and the copied version of the work. Now take for example this original picture of the horse here on the left. You will observe that it's already scaled up. A grid is already placed on top of it. In order to create the grid, you have to use your ruler and do some measurement. Now, from the corner of the page to the first line on the grid, that measurement there is 1 inch. If you're redrawing this picture to the same sizing, then we know that the copied version must be, very good, 1 inch. So therefore the ratio for this would be 1 inch to 1 inch. Now if you have a small picture and you want to transfer that image to a larger surface, then what you have to do is measure the surface. So you're going to measure horizontally, and the measurement that you get, you're going to divide that measurement by the amount of squares that is on the grid of the original. Here on this original image, we have 4 boxes across the top. The large surface is measured. The answer was 8 inches. Let us now divide. So 4 into 8, the answer would be 2. So the 2 inches is what we will use for our grid space for the larger surface. So basically we moved up from 1 inch to 2 inches grid space sizing. Now the ratio would be as follows: 1 inch to 2 inch. That will help us to have equal amount of grid spaces going horizontally. And then you would use the same concept for the vertical spacings. Now you're ready to expand your image. If there's an image that you want to redraw, I'm going to help you in doing so by first creating a grid or drawing a grid on top of that image and using that grid to help you to recreate the picture using the same scaling or same ratio measurement. I know that my viewers don't like the long drawn out videos, so I'm gonna cut this video and then I'm gonna have part 2 immediately afterwards. Just look out for it. In this part, I'm going to show you these steps. If you're one who is interested in this video and you really like what you're seeing on this channel, please make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell for upcoming videos. Share it with your friends who are of the same interest as you are. Be blessed. Have a wonderful day. Love you all.